Hello, back again. I've made a script which makes it easier to install USB hard drives, plus mount them, and also set up a Samba share so you can access the folders on your network, say from a Windows PC. The thing as well, it also has the options to install media servers from say Plex, Jellyfin, Lyrion music server, and TVHeadend. So the thing I'll do now, I'll show you how to set up, say, if you're using a Raspberry Pi, and how to use a script. Right, so plug the SD card into your PC, and we're going to be using a bit of software called Raspberry Pi Imager. I'm using a Pi 5, so just click on that. Going to click on Next. You want to go into Pi OS Other, and we're going to be using the light version because we don't need the desktop. Going to click Next. That's my SD card. Click on that, and then Next again. The host name can be anything you want to. You set that one up to whatever one you want. Now set up the username and password for the Pi. Make sure you remember this because we're going to be using it again in a minute. So you add a name and a password and click Next. Set up your Wi-Fi info. Going to click Next. You want to make sure Enable SSH is turned on. Click Next. Don't need that, we can just click Next. And now you can write to the SD card. Give it a couple of seconds and click I understand. Now it's writing the image to the SD card. I'll fast forward through this part where it's writing and then verifying. Doesn't take too long, but I'll just fast forward through it. And that's finished. You can click finish. Right, you can unplug your SD card from your PC and plug it into your Raspberry Pi if you're using Pi OS. Right, we're going to be using a bit of software called Putty now. I'll just click on that. Host name is the IP address of your Raspberry Pi. So mine is 192.168.1.226. You can save the login if you want to. You can call it any name you want to. If you ever want to use it again, just going to click save and then just click open. The thing I'm going to do is make the text larger on the screen. So I'm going to change size of font and then open. Just going to click accept. Just going to click to accept. Can't say that word. Right, now enter your login. Mine was Pi, and then enter your password. Right, first thing we're going to do is update. Just open your text file. So sudo apt update. Copy, right click to paste, and then press enter. It's just going to check for updates. I think there is a few at the moment. Error 91. And then full upgrade. Just going to copy the text. Right click to paste and then enter. I'll fast forward through this part because it can take a little while. It's not too long, but I'll just fast forward. Right, and that's all done. The Raspberry Pi is fully updated. I'm just going to clear the screen. It clears all the text off the screen when you type clear. Just makes it a bit neater so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to open my script. All you do is edit, select all, right click, copy it. I'll just minimize it and now just right click to paste into putty and then press enter on your keyboard. Right, now you've got the options of what you want to do. You can install anything individually or you can install everything. It's entirely up to you. So if you just want to mount your drives and set up a Samba share, you can just choose one, or you can choose any of the others as well. It's entirely up to you. So if you've already got, say, your drives mounted and a Samba share set up, you can just install the media servers. So the thing I'm going to do, I'm going to choose option 1 first. So it mounts the drives and plus sets up the Samba share. So I'm going to choose option 1, comma, what shall I install? 2, Lyrion music server, comma, and I will install Jellyfin, which is 4. So they're the 3 options I've chosen, but you can choose number 6 and that will install everything. It's entirely up to you. So just press enter on your keyboard once you've chosen what ones you want to do. The thing it's doing now is installing Samba. Doesn't take too long to do, and that's done. Now it's asking how many drives you want to use. Say like you got 1 or more USB drives, and it'll show them listed. Normally a USB drive is an SDA, but it can sometimes be different, but I know that's my drive because it's a NTFS. So it's asking you how many drives you want to install. I just want to install 1, so I enter 1 and then press enter on my keyboard. Now it's asking me select the number of that drive. So the drive number is 1. Now it's asking you to name the Samba share. You can call it any name you want to. This is what will show up on your, say, on your Windows PC when you go into your network shares. I'm just going to call it media, but you can call it any name you want to, doesn't matter. Just press enter. Now it's installing the software I chose. So it's installing the Lyrion music server. Doesn't take too long to do. And now it's installing Jellyfin. I'll do this in real time because it doesn't take too long to do. Now it's installing. And that's finished. When it finishes, you'll see at the bottom it says access URLs. So it's showing you the IP addresses of each server. So say the first one, LMS, is a Lyrion music server, and the second one is your Jellyfin server. So it'll list the IP addresses of any server, media server you installed. So the thing I do, I highlight them. You don't need to right click or anything, just highlight them. I'm going to open Notepad and paste, so I know where to find my servers in a minute. So now you can click Y, enter Y on your keyboard and press enter, and say your Raspberry Pi or your server running Ubuntu is going to reboot. And that's all done, everything's set up. So now you'll have a Samba server and your multimedia servers all up and running. I'll just give it a few seconds to reboot. Right, I'm going to go into File Explorer just to make sure my Samba server is running. So make sure you're in this PC, and in the address bar just type the IP address of your Raspberry Pi or your Ubuntu server. So mine is 192.168.1.226 and press enter. So this is my Samba share. So I've got my movies, got my music and TV. That's all on the USB drive plugged into the Raspberry Pi. Close that down, or your Ubuntu server. So that's all working. Now I'll show you the servers I installed, which was Lyrion Music Server and Jellyfin. So I'm going to open a browser, open my notepad, so we've got the addresses saved. So I'll just copy the Lyrion Music Server address, just paste it into your address bar, paste and go. Going to click continue. So this is Lyrion. This is the first screen you'll see. Down the bottom right you've got next. So I'm going to go into MNT, the mount point, the share. Now we've got our folders on our server. So I'm going to go into music. So click music, the top one, and you'll see media music. Click next. I'm not going to add a playlist folder. I'm just going to click next and finish. So that's Lyrion Music Server setup. Just go into my music, album artists, and this is a few albums I've got on the USB. And they've all loaded. I'll just go back. Right, now I'll go into Jellyfin, copy its address. I'll just paste and go. So enter a server name, you can call it anything you want to. Got next, add a username and password. I've already got a Jellyfin server on my network, so I'll just give it a different password to my main server. And just click next. Oh, no thanks. Now you add your libraries, movies, then add a folder. It's within the MNT. Movies. That's done. Just going to click OK. Movies is added. Going to go into shows, which is TV programs. Add the folder MNT media. TV. That's my TV shows. Click OK. So my two libraries are added. Click next. Change any settings if you need to. Click next. And that's a Jellyfin server setup. You just need to log back in again. I don't want to use my main server, I want to use a new one. And sign in, no thanks. So Jellyfin is just updating. It's just downloading, say, covers and all the other, metadata, all the information about the films. I'll just let it update, give it a few more seconds. Yeah, the movies are all in now. They've all got their covers. Let me just go back into movies. Yeah, they're all added now. Go back home and TV shows. Yeah, they're all added now. And all their info. It's going to Star Trek Voyager. Yep, they've all loaded fine. Go back. So that's the easy drive mount, Samba server, and media server setup script. So as always, I hope this video helps, and goodbye.